won't pick up the phone while I'm dying here tonight, staring goodbye in the face, saying I love you too late. Hey everyone, Blaze Guitar Lessons want to teach you how to play this awesome song by Swindell called Love You Too Late. If you have subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. To those of you who are watching for the first time, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy the video so you can get notified when I come out with new ones, alright? So, let's get right into this. Standard tuning, no capo, which I love that stuff, alright? You guys know that. So, let's get into this song. You're only going to use 3 chords for it, okay? So you're going to use A minor. You're also going to use F, and you're going to use G. Doesn't matter if you use this G or this G, okay? Either one's fine, just whatever's easier for you to play, okay? So, let's get started on the song, all right? So to start, the strumming pattern for this song is so easy, by the way. So it's just, you start with A minor, you go A minor, F, G is how you play the verses. The chorus is not like that, but you go, so you just do in the intro, so you're just going to do down, up, down, up, down, up, over and over, okay? So A minor, F, G. You just play that through once, okay? So then when you go to the verse, you just do single strums. I wish this whiskey would. So then right after would, you play F. Make her miss me like I wish. Wish is G. Wish she did. I wish she did. Pouring up another, let's see, pouring up another, so you're pouring is A minor, pouring up another one, won't change what so then you do won't is F, won't change what I should have done before is G, before she left, now all that's left is, okay, then you're going to do the same thing, but I would do either palm mutes, okay, so you're just going to do it straight down on the pre-chorus. You're still going to do A minor, F, G, okay? So you're going to do, I would either do palm mutes, or I would just play it down a little bit, okay? All right, either way. So you're going to do, I'll just play palm mutes right now so you can just kind of hear how that sounds that way. So it's mile by mile, so on mile is where you do A minor. Mile by mile in, okay, city. So right after and, right before you say city, you're going to do F. City by city she's, okay, then you do G. Getting over me, and it ain't pretty, no. Okay, then you're gonna kind of just stop, and then you're gonna go into F again, okay? So then now the chord progression for the chorus is the same chords, but it's a different order. So you're gonna do F, and then you're gonna do A minor, and then you're gonna do G. Either G works fine, okay? So you're gonna go, now you're just going to do straight up and down again, like you did in the intro, okay? You're going to go, she's out there rolling down some. Okay, so she's is F. She's out there rolling down some. Okay, some is where you do A minor. Some old interstate. Then G, okay, right after interstate. Wide open, couldn't make her stay. Okay, then after stay, you go back to F. Probably cranking up some. Some is A minor. So it's actually for the first 2 times you play A minor in the chorus, you're going to do on some, alright? Some to freedom song. Okay, so after song is where you do a G, okay? Wide open, won't pick up the phone. Okay, then you go back to F. Wow, so you do it right before while. Well, I'm dying here tonight. Okay, so after at the end of tonight, you're going to do A minor. I'm staring goodbye in the face. So face is where you do G. Face. Now in the first chorus, you're gonna stop right there. Face. Okay, so after you say face, you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, mute, and then you're gonna go saying I love you too late. Then you're gonna go to A minor, F, G. Okay, you're gonna go too late, F, G. Too late. Okay. And then you're going to go back into the verses. So you're going to do A minor, F, G again. Okay. Now, the only other thing you really need to know for this song, because now you know pretty much all of it, is just that during the instrumental and bridge, so I'm going to walk you through that. So during the instrumental where it's just kind of playing other instruments, you're going to do A minor, And you're gonna do that twice. A minor, F, G. Okay, and then for the bridge, all right, you're gonna do F, A minor, G, G. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the chorus again. She's out there rolling down some old interstate. Okay, but when you do that for the first line of the chorus, like after the bridge, you're not gonna play F and A minor. Okay, so you're just gonna go like, so you'll do about a couple country lines ago, and then you're gonna go into the chorus and you're gonna go, she's out there rolling down some old interstate, wide open, couldn't make her stay, probably cranking up. Okay, so you don't play anything for the first F and A minor of the chorus at the end, all right? So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. If you have any songs you'd like to learn next, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to teach it to you if I can. I can't guarantee I can get to all of them, but I'll do what I can, all right? Thanks so much for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time.